This is the first video for page 3. It starts on number 1 and it is talking about area and perimeter. So this is the start of page 3. So number 1 says determine the perimeter and area of rectangles A and B. So if we look down here, I counted across, I counted 5 squares on the outside of this rectangle going to the length, or it could be the width, whatever one you choose. And then on the bottom, I counted 8 squares on the outside of this rectangle. So that means that the length or width is 8 squares. So for the area, we know that the equation for area is area equals length times width. So I'm going to take 5 times 8. And I know that that is 40. And then perimeter equation, we know that that is length plus width plus width. So I'm going to take 5 plus 5, I know is 10, and then 8 plus 8 is 16, which equals, and if we add those together, we get 26. So 10 plus 16 equals 26. So our area for rectangle A is 40, and then our perimeter for rectangle A is 26. So let's go to rectangle B. I counted 5 rectangles on the top of rectangle B, and then, I counted 5 squares on the top of rectangle B, and then I counted 7 squares on this side of rectangle B. So that tells me that there's 5 across, and then there's 7 down. So for this area, same equation, area equals length times width. So B, we got area equals 5 times 7. So we're just going to take the length of 5 or the width of 5, and then the length or width of 7, which equals 35. And then perimeter we know is length plus width plus width. That's a tongue twister. So you take 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7. I added the two 5s together, which equals 10. And then 7 plus 7 is 14. So add those two together, and I got 24 for my perimeter. So our perimeter, or our area for rectangle B is 35. And our perimeter for rectangle B is 24.